Today's video is about NCRTC Recruitment. Recruitment details can be found with the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for NCRTC Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information at one place itself. Join us through Telegram and get regular job updates. Link is in the description. There are various vacancies available. Some of them I'll be mentioning: maintenance associate for mechanical, for electrical, for electronics, for civil, electronic mechanic, for technician, air conditioning and refrigeration, for technician, for fitter, etc. 226 vacancies are available. 30 September is the last day to apply, and you have to apply through online through the official website. Website link is given here, and computer based test and medical test will be conducted as a part of the selection process. And next is the vacancy details. You can see there are 4 to 20 vacancies respectively in each of the categories, and education requirement is a 3 years of diploma in the respective department. So if you are applying for maintenance associate for mechanical, you should have 3 years of diploma in mechanical engineering. Likewise, electrical branch has to have electrical engineering respectively. And for some posts which is like technician, you should have an ITI trade certificate in that relevant field, which should be again authorized. Next details is the age limit, which is 22 years of age for some of the posts, and for technician related posts it is 25 years of age. Pay scale will be starting from 35,000 for some posts, and for the technician post it is 23,000 respectively. You have to pay 500 rupees in regards to the application fees. Reservation category candidates need not pay any of the application fees. And next details is regarding the important links where you can access the official notification with one click here. Second link will give you the access for the online application process directly. Further queries in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.